by Recycled Rides, which is off of the National Autobody Council. Before we begin, I want to bring up a couple of important people. Jeanette Desjardins from CarChicks.com from Chicago, Illinois. She's also my co-host on Teresa's Garage Radio Show. And Carrie Wilhoff. She's a racer and fashion designer. She's got her race car over there. You won't want to miss it. Anyway, we are here today. We're partnering with Hot August Nights. Teresa's Garage Radio Show puts on a Women with Wheels event every year. We partner with Hot August Nights, give them kudos for taking the opportunity and saying, hey, the ladies need a day for themselves, and that's why we are here. I've also partnered with National Autobody Council and Recycled Rides, and we're going to be talking to you about exactly what we're doing here today and how it all came about. And I want to bring up to the stage right now from Caliber Collision. He's going to talk about what's going on. It's Chad McMurphy. Oh, I'm sorry. Stephen McMurtry. I knew I was going to mess that up.
Thank you, Teresa. I appreciate it. So, sorry to use those guys, but I get pretty emotional and twisted around on these type of events because it's so much dear to my heart. So, excuse me for reading this. I just don't want to forget anything. So, first of all, welcome to the Allstate Caliber Recycled Ride Gifting. All right. So, the Recycled Ride program is a community service program where collision repair companies like Caliber Collision partner with insurance providers like Allstate Insurance and local charities and other collision entities to donate recycled rides to a deserving citizen in the community. Over the last 6 years, Caliber Collision has partnered up with the National Autobody Association to support great organizations like Recycled Rides. By the end of the year, Caliber Collision will be giving away approximately 100 vehicles to deserving recipients like Erica, the young lady you'll meet tonight. Can you hear me okay? Oh, I'm sorry, am I speaking? Is that better? I'm sorry, do you want me to start over or not? So, to Erica, to restore them to the rhythm of their life, because that's what it's all about, right? It's getting back to the rhythm of our life. I would like to recognize our team in Carson City, and Mark Burchett, who's in the back, for donating their time, their passion, and knowledge to restore this vehicle back to the rhythm of its life so we can assist Erica. We also receive assistance from industry partners by donations of part services, so I want to thank them as well. Women on Wheels, right? Teresa's Garage, thank you for putting this together. Moms on the Run, thank you for involving us and giving us that opportunity, right? Axle Mobile Paint is a big company that supplied the paint for this vehicle. Maida Toyota, Les Schwab, Keystone Auto Parts, Carson City Toyota, who actually inspected the vehicle and made sure this is 100% Toyota certified. Sun City Window Tint, and High Sierra Glass. Those are some of the partners that we're partnering up with. And we cannot do this without the support of partners such as Allstate Insurance. We thank Allstate. Allstate has been a great partner to both Caliber, the National Autobody Association, and Recycled Rides. It's like they say, right? You're in good hands with Allstate. So the main thing is we tend to take this for granted. We all have cars, and we tend to take it for granted what that means to us. If you don't have a vehicle, you don't have the ability to get to work, to the doctor's appointment, groceries, and everything else on time. So that's why we want to provide this vehicle back to a deserving citizen under the Recycled Rides program. So thank you so much. Let us be proud of it. And with that, I'm going to turn back to Teresa so we can get this car back to our young lady.
Thank you, Stephen McMurtry. Now I want to bring up the man who helped make this all possible, and I should have brought him on first, but you know, sometimes you got to have the good things, you got to wait for it, right? So coming up to the stage, he's going to talk about this event, is the Executive Director of Hot August Nights. Please give him a round of applause, Mike Wan.
Thank you, Teresa. Hey, real quick, I'm going to make this brief, but thank you for attending our 32nd annual Hot August Nights. We got some great entertainment lined up. We're excited to have you guys all here. A lot of stuff going on. I want to thank Teresa, Recycled Rides, Caliber Collision, and Allstate for everything you guys have done. We get to give this lady a beautiful car to drive. Enjoy the week. It's going to get busy. I thank you guys for coming here, and if I don't get a chance to come up here again before this is over, I want to thank you and hope to see you next year. Well, let's go ahead and get this giveaway going on.
Thank you, Mike. Now, coming up is another great sponsor of this event that with the Recycled Rides. They're part of Recycled Rides. From Allstate Insurance, please welcome Chad Rhodes.
Thank you on behalf of Allstate for the ability to be a part of this great event. I really want to thank Caliber for their partnership and our ability to be a part of the community. I know this is a great cause. We do this throughout the Southwest region among our 5 states and really look forward to this opportunity, and thank you all for being here.
Thank you so much. Now, another organization that's actually, that I partner with Women with Wheels, that I put on a car show every year at the National Autobody Museum, is our proceeds go to Moms on the Run, and that's how we partnered with them, and the partnership just grew from there. So I want to welcome to the stage from Pinocchio's restaurant is Chad, and he didn't tell me his last name, but he just said to call him Chad. Who's going to speak? Chad? Okay. Oh, wow, Chad. All right. Anyway, we're going to give it to Chad, and then we'll go from there. Thanks.
This was a great partnership. We've been doing this since 2001. We've been a local charity. We've given back to our charity, and we're so proud to be a part of this and be able to give a car back to somebody that needs it in our community. So thank you, everybody that came out, and thank you for supporting Moms on the Run.
Thank you guys. You're awesome. Now you're going to hear from the recipient, who is the one who's going to unveil this car here just shortly. I'd like to welcome to the stage a very wonderful woman, is Emcee. Let's give her a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Please.
Well, thank you, everyone. I want to thank the organizations, everyone that got together, Moms on the Run, for nominating me. And, I'm very thankful and that I got selected, and it's really going to help my family out and my children. So thank you. I'm very humbled to receive this car. Thank you so much to everyone.
Okay, now we're going to do the unveiling. Okay, we want to take all the attention from the stage. We want you to turn around and look at the green bow. And guess what we're going to do? I want everybody to help me. We're going